Organize a cookie swap. During the holiday season, cookie giving is most common. Some people end up replacing store-bought gifts with these homemade goodies. You may even find yourself getting so many cookies that you can't eat them before they get stale. So why not hold a cookie swap in advance to share recipes, enjoy a chat or two, and savor fresh cookies in moderate amounts? It's simple, and absolutely delightful. Invitations. Decide how many people you want to invite, and send out invitations early so that invitees have weeks to decide what cookies they would like to bring. Based on your number of invitees, note how many copies of recipes, and the number of cookies each person should bring. Display. When it comes time to lay out the cookies for your guest sampling, leave out place cards and pens at the table so the proud bakers can write down their masterpieces' names. Drinks. As the host, you should know what kind of cookies your invitees are bringing. Through that, you will be able to pick the kind of drinks that would suit the occasion. Serve plenty of coffee and tea during the event. If the season is right, you may even serve apple cider or peppermint hot chocolate. Recipes. Sharing recipes is one of the most important reasons for this party. Provided that your guests are willing to share their best recipes, you'll have a good collection for years to come. If you have a scanner and a printer, you could offer to make copies during the party to make it even easier on your invitees. Packing home. Prepare foil-lined paper bags or pretty tins for invitees to bring leftover cookies home. There shouldn't be too many to spare, but every treat counts. Everyone Efrans Arians overruns edit. Ignore all, add to dictionary everyone Efrans Arians overruns edit. Ignore all, add to dictionary.